Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, a little change that is seeping into the Google Chrome browser. We, mentioned that AI, anything artificial intelligence, will slowly take more and more place in our computing life. And now there's a change that's starting to roll out in Google Chrome. If you use the, of course, Safe Browsing Enhanced Protection, what happens is that this feature now on mine, it's not AI yet, and it doesn't say AI here in the description. It just says real-time proactive protection against dangerous sites and so on. But a few users are starting to see that this is moving on to from the same that I have to a new one, which just says real-time AI-powered protection against dangerous sites. So this means that Google will start using its own AI to scan for bad sites, for things that you probably need to be safe from. Will it make it more, secure? It's supposed to. That's why they want to use artificial intelligence that could maybe see things that regular protection don't see. So this is interesting, and it's starting to roll out. It's going to be in Google Chrome. I'm going to check my version every time there's an update to see when it changes. When it does, I will mention it. But apparently some of you already have it out there. And if you go into your settings in privacy and security and check for the safe browsing options, just go and check if you have AI protection or not. That is in this description. If it says AI, you've been upgraded to the latest protection using artificial intelligence from Google servers. So this is another example where AI is slowly getting there. If it is really helping, if it is really making things better, yeah, why not? It's just that, it's never clear exactly in here what it does, and it's never clear how much data it actually scoops up and checks and what happens with it. This is always where the AI is a little scary for a lot of people. So it is rolling out through Google Chrome. If you guys have it, if you don't, well, you should have it at some point. Like I said, I will be checking mine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.